In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use buttons on card art. Buttons are a simple but powerful way to improve user interaction and guide visitors through your website, whether it's a personal page or a landing site. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to cardart.co.login and enter your site editor. Once you're in, click the plus icon to add a new element and select button. This will bring up customization options to tailor your button to your site's design. Next, choose a style for your button. Card offers multiple designs: professional, playful, or minimalist. So pick one that matches your brand or page tone. After that, label your button with clear and concise text like "Learn more," "Get started," or "Contact us," letting visitors know exactly what to expect when they click. Now it's time to attach a URL. Enter the destination link where you want users to go. Make sure the link works by testing it in a separate browser tab. You can also customize the button color to match your site's palette, ensuring it stands out while complementing your overall design. Remember to consider contrast for visibility. Finally, click Done and preview your site to see the button in action. Check that the link works correctly and the design fits your page. You can always come back to tweak it later if needed. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently use buttons on card to engage visitors and improve navigation. Happy designing!